Hello everyone, it's So with Debee. I hope you're having a great day. Please check out what I do with these 2-inch scraps. I have a really fun project in mind. So coming up next, I'll show you how to get started. So I've decided to go with the potato chip format block. However, this one is going to measure 2 by 3.5, which is slightly smaller than what I normally use. So to begin with, we will be taking 2 for the center and piecing those together. And then I'll be taking 2 and stitching them end to end, and those will end up on the sides. And then I will also be taking 1 and adding a 2-inch square and doing the stitch and flip. So it'll be like this once it's done, and I'll be making 2 of those, and then I'll do the final assembly. So all the pieces are now sewn together, and I've given this a bit of a press to check to make sure that it meets the way I want it to. So now I'm going to cut the side like this. And I'll do that for the other. And these, yes, I'm crazy, but I actually will sew them along here or on the other way and make mini hourglasses with them because I have something I'm working on. So what I'll do is I'll press these, and then these will get sewn like this. So one will go here to the center, and then this one, once it's pressed, it'll get joined up here, and then the 2 sides will be going on, and then the block is done. And just showing you with these angles on, so they are going like this across from each other. And now I will join the sides just to avoid a bunch of seam conflict. I know it works in the points here, but I did line it, the center one up vertically, so that I wouldn't have to worry about the 2 side seams. So I'll just finish this up and I'll be right back. So I've gone ahead and made 4 of these blocks, just showing you what it looks like. It is 6.5 inches unfinished, and I've made this as a smaller project because I needed to just work on something as a donation program. I'm making some placemats for our local seniors home. So with this, what you do is you place one with these blues going diagonally, and then you have the other one facing the other direction, and then you have the top one that goes like this, and then the bottom one. So there's 2 patterns. This darker part here gives kind of a spinning star, and the blue creates kind of a swirl on its own. So I'm going to go ahead and join this. When it's all done, it'll be a 12.5 inch unfinished block. I think this would be really neat with some additional sashing, and then if you just carried this on throughout a whole quilt. This is going to be a placemat that'll be about 12 by 16, so I'll just add some nice border fabric to it, and then I'll be able to quilt it and donate it. So until next time, please like, share, and I always like to hear from you whether you like these patterns or not. So please comment if you can, and until next time, sew safely and sew with Debee. Have a great day, and bye for now. So I'm just showing you, I have sewn the 4 blocks together. They do need to be trimmed up before I finish this off. These were using 2 by 3.5 inch strips, and each block is 6.5 inches unfinished. If you'll notice that you end up with 2 different patterns, you've got kind of like the blue forming a triangle or a square on its side, and then you've got kind of a star shape as well. And then I went ahead and I tried it on the smaller size potato chip scraps, and these are 1.5 by 2.5, and they make a 4.5 inch block, and this is 12 blocks sewn together, which is perfect as is to make a placemat. So I think I'm going to go ahead and make a lot more of these. You could add sashing and create a beautiful quilt top out of these. So I leave it up to you to decide what you'd like to do. I may even go ahead and use a larger size. I just don't know. So until next time, please comment. Let me know what you think about this design, and sew safely and have a great day. Bye for now.